Hey everyone, welcome back to Graphic Design. We are in week 5, taking a look at our weekly preview. This week we are focusing on filters and special effects. So your first assignment is introducing filters and special effects in your Pixlr editor. And then you have an assignment where you're creating your own old-fashioned photo. This is from an original photo that you have taken, as well as at the end of the week, you will be posting to a discussion board using a photo that you have taken and that you have edited in Pixlr under the Filters tab. This is something for you guys just to kind of experiment and play around with the wonderful world of edits for your photos. Also this week, you guys will be checking in on your grades and doing a mid-quarter check. Checking back on your first half of your quarter just to see if you want to resubmit anything or if there was anything possibly forgotten. If you have any questions throughout your week, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Otherwise, I hope to see you on Thursday at 1 o'clock in live class. Take care.